Okay. Hey guys, welcome to Bet You Didn't Know Facts. We're live. Well, we're not live. When you see this, you won't be live. Me and Bubba are here to give you some amazing facts about hangovers that you may not know. Right, Bubba? And here's Bubba now. You won't be able to see him because he's scratching his behind. We should do those facts next. Okay. Let me get the light right, Bubba. Alright, let's see. Here we go. Number 1, smoking can make hangovers worse because smoking causes people to drink more. It leads to more severe symptoms the next day. The chemicals in cigarettes can intensify the pharmacological effects of alcohol. Man, that was bad. No, I haven't been drinking. So, number 2. I'm gonna have 2 here somewhere. 2. Hangovers are expensive. Not only do they affect individuals, but the economy as well. The estimated cost of hangovers is $148 billion annually, with an average annual cost of $2,000 per working adult, from missing work and poor job performance, according to the 2000 study in the Journal Annuals of Internal Medicine. Got it? It has even been researched that the hungover workers have increased risk of accidents and injury. The more severe the hangover, the greater neurocognitive deficiency that include poorer reaction times, memory, and attention span. That dreaded hangover. Number 3. Right, Bubba? Darker liquids can cause worse hangovers. Did you know that? I didn't. I just drink Bud Light, so I don't know. Bourbon cognac, is that what it said? Or liquor? Oh my god, I can't even see what it says. It's too dark. Bourbon, red wine, and rum can be the cause of the bad hangover. Bye-bye. This is, looks like there's an earthquake. If there's not, it's a Bubba quake. This is caused by higher concentration of, I don't even know now. Be still. Cogeners. Oh my lord. Conjures. These are the byproducts of formaldehyde, I think, from fermentation, fermentation, getting I don't even know what it's saying because it's dark. Getting I don't know what to say, but hi everybody, meet Bubba. Bubba needs something, and he needs to go see his daddy because his mama's not taking him outside anymore tonight. No, I'm not going outside anymore tonight. But I'll let you go in there with your daddy. Is that what you want? Give me a kiss. Can I have a kiss? You better give me a kiss. You want something from me? I know. You know, Mama always says it. Okay, people, hold on. We gotta pause, and I gotta move Bubba's feet. Bubba, I can't see. Bubba, stop! Ah, Bubba, quit! Bubba, I'm gonna get your booty. Getting mesticized by the body, turning into formed and formaldehyde, turning into formaldehyde and into what causes all the overall misery that you have the next hangover morning. Number 4, genetics play a role. The hangover symptoms are slowly related to how well the body breaks down the alcohol and are all the byproducts. Then there are certain genes that are directly responsible for the key enzymes like aldehyde dehydrogenation that does the breaking down of the alcohol byproduct. Acetyl dehyphyl. That's what I said. Whatever. Oh man, I butchered that. Although a large percent of the Asian population that don't have enough of this enzyme, which causes an increased negative response to alcohol. Also, studies have found out that 25 to 30% of the population seems to be resistant to hangovers, likely due to a very effective ethanol metabolism. Estranol. Number 5, you could be going through withdrawals. The symptoms of sweating, shaken is, and the sensitivity are sometimes symptoms of withdrawal. The heavy drinking puts your brain into a super sensitive state. Super sensitivity the body battles an overdose of acetaldehyde, the bad part of the alcohol program. Some try to react the pain of this hangover using the hair of the dog that involves drinking more alcohol in the morning. The truth is this only masks the hangover, so you're not helping. Number 6, protein snacks help. Proteins keep the stomach busy because they have a long time to digest. They take a long time to digest. Try nuts, meat, nuts, cheese. Delays the pyloric valve opening that lets the stomach's contents pass into the small intestine where the most alcohol is absorbed in the blood. It helps the drink to dilute the alcohol. Which helps to drink it. It helps to drink it. Helps to dilute it. Number 7, carbonated drinks makes hangovers worse. Beer and champagne has bubbly. These contribute to hangover severity. The gas causes pyloric like the pyloric valve to open. It reaches the small intestine quickly, and is taken to the bloodstream. Number 8. Brain is dehydrated. The pounding headaches is due to dehydration. Ethanol dries out your brain. Alcohol suppresses the hormone adenine vasopressin that conserves the water levels in the body. Yeah. So alcohol's keeping that from happening. You're not getting dehydrated. Getting hydrated. But you're not dehydrated. I hangover. Yes, I'm reading from the paper. My goodness. I have a hangover. Number 9. Women have more risk of hangovers than men. Of course they do. All humans have 80% of water, but it varies between the sexes. Women have less water because they have more body fat and holds less water. While the men have more muscle, which is mostly water. If a man and woman who weighs exactly the same drink the same amount of alcohol, the woman will always have a higher blood alcohol content because of that. Number 2. The culprit could be inflammation. The complexity of the hangover could be caused by inflammation because alcohol releases the inflammatory molecule from the liver, kidneys, known as urethra. It is known as, I don't know what it's known as. Cytokines? I'm butchering this badly. Cytokines. These cytokines I'm saying it wrong. Cytokines make up your you're achy and feverish, that make you feel achy and feverish when you have the flu. Because your alcohol causes inflammation in our bodies, the liver responds some way, releasing painful token into our system and our bloodstream as a result, which just means there's pain and inflammation. Number 11. No silver bullet. There's no magic cure for hangovers because alcohol has so many effects itself. Although charcoal has been found to help with effects, conquers some evidence that prickly pear extract can combat inflammation involved in hangovers, according to a 2004 study in the journal Archives of Internal Medicine. The best thing to do for a hangover is don't drink, or drink moderately. Hydrate yourself and don't stay up all night. Now, if we could all do that, we would conquer the hangover, guys. So, sorry about that. That is your facts amongst falling cameras and dogs jumping on the bed. And I've, of course, butchered the medical terms, but I think you get it right. The main thing is, the best thing to avoid a hangover is don't drink. Okay, guys, see you next time. Bet you didn't know. Bye.